Tomodachi Life freezing, crashing fix. Error, Tomodachi Life keeps freezing or crashing. Step 1. Restart the Nintendo 3DS. Hold the power button properly. Turn the console off completely. Wait a few seconds before restarting. Launch the game again. Step 2. Clean the game cartridge. Remove the Tomodachi Life cartridge. Clean the gold contacts carefully. Use a soft dry cloth only. Reinsert the cartridge properly. Step 3. Check for system updates. Open Nintendo 3DS system settings. Check for latest firmware updates. Install all available updates. Restart the console afterward. Step 4. Check storage space. Open system settings on the 3DS. Verify SD card storage availability. Remove unnecessary files if needed. Low storage can cause freezing issues. Step 5. Remove corrupted extra data. Open data management settings. Check Tomodachi Life. Save additional data. Remove corrupted extra files carefully. Restart the game afterward. Step 6. Disable cheats or mods. Turn off any cheat tools or mods. Avoid edited save files temporarily. Launch the original game version. Modified files can crash the game. Step 7. Test without the SD card. Power off the Nintendo 3DS. Remove the SD card carefully. Start the game without it. Faulty SD cards may cause crashes. Step 8. Charge the console fully. Connect the original charger. Let the battery charge properly. Avoid low battery gameplay. Weak battery performance can cause instability. Step 9. Reinstall digital version. Delete the digital game copy. Download Tomodachi Life again. Install fresh game files. Start with clean settings. Step 10. Factory reset as last option. Backup important save data first. Open system settings on the 3DS. Reset the console carefully. Reinstall updates and test the game again.